Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So we are opening one of my most favorite boxes, 9 of Earth. And look, they sent it in a pink box to go with the theme this month. And this won't be posted until after Valentine's Day, but I'm filming it on Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. I love each and every one of you, even if it's your first time here. Hi, I'm Kitty. I love ya. Thank you for being here. And welcome back to everyone else. And yeah, I love subscription boxes, and I love tarot, and I love spirituality, all that stuff. And this box really encompasses all of that. So 9 of Earth is a tarot subscription box. Well, every month you get a tarot or an oracle deck, and then there's a theme for each box, and you get a bunch of other goodies to go along with it. And I honestly have been loving it. I'm getting so much use out of everything that comes inside. I do have a second channel called Kitty Outside the Box where I do tarot, like pick a card readings and stuff like that. So it's really helpful for me. But I feel like even if you aren't a tarot reader yourself or you just do it for yourself, I think you'll really like what's inside. I will link them down below. It is a little bit pricey, but you definitely, in my opinion, get your money's worth. And let's get started. I have used one item, so we'll start with that, but we'll open it and get like the little pamphlet out. I used this in a reading I did yesterday for Pick a Card. It's up. I'll link my channel down below if you guys are into that type of thing. I'd love if you subscribed and checked out my content there as well. So yeah, it was a soulmate type reading. I had to do that. You know, I didn't have to. I wanted to do that because it was around Valentine's Day and requested. And there's a oracle deck that has to do with it. So theme XOXO. And here is a list of everything that comes inside with pricing and a little description. So let's start off with the deck. It's called the Love Story Oracle Cards. 44 cards in Guidebook by Deja Druitt, I believe is how you say that. And I was so excited to know this was coming because a lot of tarot readings have to do with relationships, and even if you're not a tarot reader for other people, even yourself, like even if you're in a committed relationship, you know, there's things that come up, and I feel like this is really useful. And I have only used it once, but I think it's beautiful. So I like the closure and everything. It does come with a guidebook, and let me show you some of the cards. Yeah, I love how it's like cursive writing there. And then here is the cards. I haven't even looked at every single one yet. Like this one says commitment. And in the guidebook, they have some spreads. I haven't tried those either yet, like specific spreads that they recommend, but I will check them out. Confusion. Yeah, I don't know. I just really am excited about this. Of course I am. But like, I really think it looks like cute. I like the artwork. And this oracle deck is $45. And it says, a beautiful universal oracle deck to help you seek guidance with romance and relationships. No more wondering, ask and you shall receive. And it also includes 6 blank cards to write your own custom messages. I haven't done that yet. How about I draw us one card? Spirit, what does the collective need to know right now? Whatever is going on in their situation, can you give us some insight on what we need to know about our relationships right now? We have here communication in reverse. So maybe some of you have not been in contact or with whoever you are inquiring about. No one's inquiring. This is an impromptu little thing, but it looks like there's some issues with communication. And let's look in the book. This will be a little fun thing. So they have meanings in here for both upright and reverse, which I love. I was going to say something, but it doesn't really matter. I'm like, I don't like readings that don't do reverse stuff. Also, some of the spreads they have here are new love spread, future love spread, ex love spread, past, present, future. Oh, and there's Deja. She created this deck. Okay, what card number was it? Oh, 2. 2. Communication is how we are being heard. Okay, I'm just going to go right to the reverse. Wow, and it gives you questions to ask. Do you know your love language? I want to take that again. I think I know how I like to receive love. Is that the same? Or love language is how I give it to others, right? Oh, if not, take the quiz at www.5lovelanguages.com. Do you know your partner's love language? That's good advice for anyone that's having issues with communication. But okay, so reversed. Oh, sorry about that, my Snapchat. Feeling scared or hesitant to express your true emotions. Frustration around not being understood or heard. Communicating with judgment or aggression. Not listening to others or trying to understand what they're trying to communicate. Ignoring or avoiding someone and hoping that they get the hints. If you and your partner struggle with good communication, it may be a good idea to consider couples therapy. If under advice position, this message is to not communicate with someone. Someone's trying to hit me up. That's my friend. But also, I'm really excited to use this more. I love getting new decks, and decks are expensive, like $45. So that's a big chunk of the price you pay for this box, and then you get so many other things too. So it's a great way to build up your collection. And then let's move on. So I think this is a little, yeah, I totally peeked, obviously. I grabbed the deck out. But this is like a box of chocolates, or a box of crystals. So this is pink box here. And it literally looks like chocolate. So like they have these little, oops. Ooh, it makes me want to have a Reese's. Damn. Some Reese's. I can't remember the last time I had one. So there are 4 crystals in here. Where is it? Box of crystals, $19.99. Better than chocolate. It comes with 4 crystals. Aura quartz, moonstone, clear quartz cluster, and ruby fuchsite. I don't have any ruby fuchsite, so that's exciting. Here is the crystal quartz cluster. Master healer that may amplify energy of other crystals. Can be programmed to hold your intention. So, is this ruby fuchsite? This one looks cool, it's green. May heal blocks in relationships, can aid communication between partners. Cool. Yeah, so the heart chakra is green. I always like in my head thought like pink or something like that, but no. So maybe this is. I need to look into it more, but I really like how it looks. And then we have, this one looks like quartz too. I need to look into this more. Oh, I think the first one I showed you might be aura quartz because it has a little bit of glitter to it, or like, yeah, shimmer to it. And then we have moonstone, which aids in love and passion and fertility, good for new beginnings. And the aura rose quartz is, I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking too much of the traditional rose quartz, but it doesn't matter. I'm excited to get all these and learn more about them. I'll do that outside of here, not make you guys wait when I just like ponder it in my mind. Stone of unconditional love may support self-love, positive body image, and forgiveness. Yay. Oh wait, there's another. This is moonstone. Okay, there's 5 stones in here. Oh, I wonder if this like broke off of this. So it's like 2. That makes so much more sense now. I think this was actually attached and it came off, but that's okay. So this is the aura rose quartz here, or the moonstone. I don't know. But anyways, let's move on. Ooh. Chocolate Love Elixir by Herbal Revolution, $12. And this is a divine, sensuous, and indulgent treat. Is this edible? Yeah. If you love chocolate, then this blend is for you. We combine whole cacao beans and roasted cacao powder with sensual herbs like rose, vanilla, and ashwagandha. You shake it well and enjoy 1 to 2 drops as needed. You can put it on strawberries, ice cream, and use it to make cocktails or even licking off your partner. Ooh, ooh la la. I'm gonna try it. It's supposed to help support healthy reproductive and circulatory and nervous systems. Supports energy and stamina. Ooh. So I can just put some in my mouth right now? Oh, wait. Wait for dessert, because I haven't had dinner yet, and I'm going to have that right after this, because... Is anyone else out there like me? I like want dessert all the time. Like when I was saying Reese's earlier, even if I'm hungry for like a meal, I'm like, I still want dessert. Like, no. Oh, this is so cool. There's heart anatomy on it. Love Potion number 9, moisturizing shea butter soap. I really like the packaging. It is SLS free, so lauryl sulfate or whatever, free, vegan, and cruelty free. It's made in small batches. Isn't this cute? This is $12. A smoky, sexy blend, yet still very feminine and sweet. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. When I read that, I was like, I love the sound of that. They've mixed Italian bergamot with smoke amber, Peru balsam, jasmine, musk, sweet honey, pale rose, and a touch of champagne. Ooh, bubbly. I just want everything. Ooh, it looks like we have some earrings. Oh, they're little heart-shaped. What kind of stud is this? Black heart earrings. It's made with gorgeous cubic zirconia heart studs on hypoallergenic stainless steel posts. What's that noise? That's my fridge. That's weird. Sorry if you can hear that. I didn't put the microphone on. The audio is not too bad, guys. Ooh, but we have 2 tea light candles that are like hot pink. I love that. Yay. I love getting candles of any sort, but pink, I don't think I have anyone like this. Yeah, hot pink tea lights. These are $2. Unscented, hand poured, and long burning tea lights in a beautiful hot pink color. Perfect to set the mood for some love magic. Oh my god. Look at these teeny itty bitty envelopes. Why are teeny little things so cute? Look at this. Here, let's talk about these. What are these? Tiny card sample 2-pack by Lemon Drop Papers Inc. Sold in sets of 12 for $11. These are so tiny. Okay, like, trying to do like a test so you can see how small they are. Oh my gosh. These adorable tiny envelopes come with blank white cards inside for writing custom messages. Write little messages to show someone how much you care. Great to leave somewhere for your partner, friend, or family to find as a little surprise to brighten their day. It's so little. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm like afraid they'll like miss it. Like, oh my god, why is that so cute? So cute. And is that everything? I think so. Let me still check. Yes, so that was everything in the XOXO Gossip Girl box. No, I'm just kidding, but I have to say that. So definitely love the deck the most. Probably I think I'll get the most use out of it, but everything. I kind of want to try this. So you use 1 to 2 droppers? Oh, you put 2 full droppers. I'm not going to put that straight out. I thought it was drops. I'm like, I could just put 2 drops in my mouth. But I'll wait. I'll let you guys know. You guys have to let me know what you think. I will link them down below, the Create Joy link. And I didn't mention this, but I do subscribe to this and pay for this myself. And yeah, that's saying something. So I got a lot of boxes sent to me for a review, but I have to have this one, even though it's expensive. I love it. I don't know if it's my like all-time favorite box, but I'm just not like a lovey-dovey person, I guess, you know. But the deck I could totally use all the time because I have a lot of people that are lovey-dovey that ask me questions. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you're doing. And I hope you are all safe and healthy. I love you so much. And I will see you super soon. Bye.